doing all that for somebody who? Oh my god.
Whatever jam, whatever. Like I leave all that shit with
Oh,
her.
it's
I'm
up.
like, you know, I fuck with you.
Oh, it's up. Hold on, Panda. It's up. Don't play with her. Don't play with her. Don't, bitch. Don't. Oh my god.
What's going on, guys? It's your girl Easy Breezy, and we're back with another hair sponsor. Thank you so much, WowEbony. They sent me this 22-inch Yaki straight lace front wig. Modeling today, we have my girl Junie back in the building. So I think I have a confession. I really like the Yaki straight texture. Like, I would prefer Yaki straight over straight any day now, because I really like that textured, like semi-coarse kind of feel to it. Like the silky straight, you know, that's all good and stuff, but the Yaki straight is just fuller to me. It's softer to me, and honey, I'm feeling it. So before I put this wig on, you already know I'm doing my ball cap method. Really simple, really easy. I think I really simplified this technique.
If you don't mind plucking and stuff, why don't you save your money and pluck your own wig?
Cause when I get 20, I be like, no.
But you could do like 10, 10 or like 5, 10, 15, 20. Like, she really could do this by herself.
I like it when at least we're doing it together. Like you're doing some, I'm doing some.
Or when I pluck, you'll bleach or stuff like that.
Yeah, but when it's just all me, the anxiety sets in, and no.
Nah, no.
Oh, why you trying to convince me to pluck my own wigs? Girl, we a team. You best to help me.
Doing all that for somebody who?
All that stuff with her. Whatever left
Oh
over
my
right
god.
here, whatever jam, whatever. Like I leave all that shit with
Oh,
her.
it's
I'm
up.
like, you know, I fuck with you.
Oh, it's up. Hold on, Panda. It's up. Don't play with her. Don't play with her. Don't, bitch. Don't. Oh my god. I love this. Oh, I'm here for this.
No, period. We live for a scalpy lace, honey, okay? Alright, you guys, if you want your own bottle of a liquid lace glue, make sure you head over to galaxygirlhair.com right now. Oh snap, I forgot to tell y'all a whole secret. So one thing that I never mentioned in these videos, which I don't even know why, it kind of just slipped my mind, is every time I'm doing a either brown skin, tan, it doesn't matter really the skin color, I always add powder or very light liquid foundation to the lace, and I feel like that's what makes it match the client's skin perfectly. And the reason why I don't show that process in my videos is because shit, I don't even know if it's gonna work half the time. So I don't want y'all following my lead if I'm messing up people's hair. But it seems like it works pretty much every time, or at least 95% of the time. So I just wanted to mention that. So in conclusion, I would actually recommend stylists to pick up like maybe 3 or 4 different foundations and just keep them at the salon just in case the lace is not tinting right, or just in case you're in a rush. And I usually apply the makeup with a brush or sometimes a sponge. See, I don't even know if we need baby hair today. what's the word? Scalpy, baby. Wheel. New product alert. So we have a brand new flyaway tamer. This is a wax stick on galaxygirlhair.com. I use it to flatten out any flyaways or cowlicks that just won't stay down. Now I use spritz sometimes, but I like this a little bit better because it does not flake up and it lasts a lot longer. Now one thing I will say is don't use too much or it's going to get a little bit oily, so keep it on the light side. Honey, this girl can't wait, okay? So we did decide to go without the baby hairs this time, and it looks super natural. I want to say that the ring light is actually making it seem like there's a line there, but when she was taking her own selfies in the sun, like the lace looked perfect.
I love this. I just love it. It's natural, sleek. It didn't take long.
So if you guys are interested in purchasing this exact wig, I'm going to put all the information in the description below. If you're not subscribed to my channel already, make sure you go ahead and do that and turn on your notifications. See y'all later.